Hi Jimmy, hi Richard, this is Rob to Brien. This is my video submission to go with assignment 2. So I'm just going to get straight into it because I have 5 minutes. So the image you see on the screen right now is the architecture. So the client accesses so there is a React front end for this. So that's stored in S3 and hosted a static website. I use my own personal account so I can take advantage of Amazon API Gateway. So there's there's a REST API with a few endpoints that's there used. These are linked to, I think it's 6 in total lambdas, which store information in the database, and also SNS topics. There's 2, and there's 2 SQS queues associated with the topics. So that's just the overview. I'll go into the more detailed synopsis now. So this is the front end. Basically what this is a courses application. So they can add a new course, which I'll do now for you. So if I just quickly show you, the authors are pre-programmed, but there is an API endpoint that allows that to be completed as well. And course duration. So 1 hour. So the course gets submitted and it shows up here. You can edit the course and also delete the course if they required. So that's the front end. So to go into my S3 bucket, you can see here the cloud infrastructure module is my public bucket, public because I want anyone to be able to access it. And there's all the static images, resources, and the HTML file, etc. So that's where S3 is used in this application. The API gateway. So I have a courses API. I have an authors and courses endpoint for each. So a get is for the authors, and so for the courses you use the ID to delete, get, or put as well, which ties back into this guy. For DynamoDB, I have 2 tables. So you see there the authors. The ID is the string name of the author, and same with the courses. So basically the courses use the ID as use the name of the course as the ID as well. So the Lambda functions. So there's 6 here in total: update course, save course, get all courses, get all authors, and delete course. If I show save course, for example, like we just completed the save course here, you will see down here in the function. So this is written in Node. I've done Node before in a previous web module, in my last one with Frank, so I do have kind of an understanding of it. So you can see it basically just this code just saves the new course, finds the SNS topic here and posts with a message, new course added. Each of the courses as well have an I am role. So I think the save course Lambda role is used by 2 of them. So there's only 5 I am roles needed. So there's delete course, get all authors, etc. So these are done because each Lambda function requires different roles. Like, so obviously a get and a put. So I tried to restrict access as much as I could. So I just give them exactly what they need. So if I go to the save course Lambda role, you will see here that if I click on the policy, so you'll see here the resource. So DynamoDB has access just to this table, just SNS, just the publish action, and the logs. So we can see the logs in CloudWatch. We allow the create log group action on this, and again, so the DynamoDB is just put. So it's just the bare minimum each role has. So just to go on to the AWS SNS. So pretty simple. I have two topics. It's this one here, course removed and new course. Whenever a course is removed or a new course is added, it sends an email out to whoever subscribed. So at the minute it's just me. I should have received an email just now actually, because I didn't get one yet. So it takes some time to come through, I think. Sometimes I've noticed that. And again, the SQS queues. So I completed 2 queues. As you can see here, course removed and new courses. So again, these queues were created to show that, but basically because it's part of the requirements, and also if there was an external application or an internal application that was pulling from these queues, they could also do that as well. So you can see there's 5 messages available, because I've been using this quite a bit for testing, stuff like that. I think that's everything. So React front ends, back end is API gateway, DynamoDB, Lambda, SNS, SQS, and that's it. Just to add as well, I created this my own account, so I do have a custom user which I have put in the documentation and I'll also send to you. So you can log into my account, it's a read-only account. Thank you very much.